Welcome everybody again from Tutorial Hub. This is Ariful Islam. Today we are going to learn about the another process of keeping the value of array by using for loop. So let's start it. In last tutorial we have learned about how to define array and how to put and print the value that have been kept inside array. So let's start for keeping the value of array by using for loop. Let's start and define a array. This tutorial I will use string array for keeping string value. String, that means square bracket st new string. The index is 3. The size of the array is 3. That means the index will be 0 comma 2. We need to put the value inside this array. For this reason we will use the for loop. For this for is using for keeping the value inside array. Here the for loop will run until it becomes less than 10, but our array size is only 3, so we need to write 3 here, and you need to scanner class sc we need to put the value inside array st I equal value of I. So there is an error. Oh, this is a mistake. We need to use the scanner object, and after that next line we are taking the value of array by user, but we need to print the value here to the values are our array will also run until it becomes free, and here the value will be printed out. Array number one is we have simply used for telling that what is the number of the value. So simply run this program. The program is waiting for taking value. We are giving 3 values, that means Google, Facebook, YouTube. The values are array 01 is Google, array 1 is Facebook, and array 2 is YouTube. That means we have at first take the values of array by this for loop, and after that we have printed the all values that have been given inside array by this for loop. If you want to, if you do not, what is the size? If you do not want to use this static value 3 or something like that, you will use size. You need to use another function and built-in function for Java to define the size of to get the size of array you define. For this reason, you need to use the name of your array and simply dot length. Here also dot length. This is the also the same process for taking or printing the value of array. If you want to Google, Facebook, YouTube, if you want to use another process, string x, y, the value is so let's run it. What happens? I actually don't know. Google, Facebook, YouTube, defining. This is not the process, so let's delete it. Hope that you have understand how you can use array. You can keep the values inside array by using for loop, or you can do the same by do while loop or while loop for keeping or printing the value that have been kept inside Java Java array. So that's all for today. Hope that you have understood how to define or use array by using for loop and printing the value of array by using for loop. So that's all for today. Stay well.